Take out the felt sheet with the pattern and lay it flat on the foam mat. Take some white wool and tear it fluffy. Put the shredded white wool on and start poking on the pattern. When poking a large area of coasters, pierce it gently to make the wool preliminary stick. Use the same method. First color the coaster. Don't poke too hard when poking. And don't use the needle to pick up the wool. Otherwise, the needle may break. The color of the entire coaster. The thickness must be uniform. Except for the mouth, which is flesh-colored, and the body, I'll use white wool to poke. After the first color laying is completed, we'll prick the edges. Tear the wool into a thin layer. Then fold it in half. Cover the thickest layer to the edge. Poke. It can increase the thickness of the edge. Now the thickness of the edge has also increased. It's done. Use a needle to poke gently to make the wool stick and tighten. When encountering thinner areas, you can add a thin layer of shredded wool. Poke gently until the surface, without large and obvious needle holes. Take a small amount of white wool and shape it into a ball. Poke it to the ear position. One side of the ear connected to the head, and the other end extends beyond the body surface. It's slightly protruding from the body. Use white wool to poke out the other ear. Wrap the shredded wool into small balls. Poke out the limbs. an appropriate amount of dark brown wool and tear it. Don't do it above the felt sheet. Arrange the brown wool. Our coasters are white. It's easy to fall off. The shredded wool sticks to the coaster, and it's hard to clean. Tear the shredded dark brown wool to the position of the tail. Take out the flesh-colored wool and tear it fluffy. Poke out the mouth. When poking to the edge, poke from outside to inside. Make the mouth thicker than the body. Add a proper amount of flesh-colored wool to increase the thickness of the mouth. Take a small amount of light brown wool to poke out the horns. The main body of the coaster is done. Cut along the edge of the coaster with scissors. Note: don't cut into the area we've poked. Take some white wool and tear it into pieces. Wrap the shredded wool around the edge. Poke it, and poke the edge gently to make the wool stick and tighten. Wrap the edge with a layer to make it more delicate and beautiful. Use the same method to handle the edges. The mouth edge is trimmed with flesh-colored wool. And light brown for the edges of the ears. And the tail with dark brown. Tear the white wool into pieces. Fill the back of the cup pad with white wool. The back must be gently poked to avoid affecting the front. For the poked part, the back should be evenly colored. Take a small amount of dark brown wool and tear it, and poke out the edges of the limbs. The dark brown wool accounts for a small proportion, about 2 millimeters long. Take an appropriate amount of dark brown wool. Poke out the pattern of the cow. The pattern of dark brown wool. Don't apply too much. And poke a thin layer on the surface, so that the white underneath cannot be seen through. That's enough. Use the same method to poke the pattern on the cow. Take a small amount of blue wool and rub it into a thin strip, and poke out the letters. And observe the position of the letters. The position of the letters. Don't press too hard when poking. Take a small amount of dark brown wool and knead it into a ball, and poke out the eyes. Take a small amount of dark pink wool, and poke out the nostrils. Use scissors to trim off the excess fluff. A cute coaster is ready.